Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. In this video, we're going to talk about precious metals. As you know, that precious metals are kind of like my favorite assets, especially in 2023, 2024, which we had marvelous rally in both years. But where are we heading to? So are we going to see the top or kind of like a significant top in them, or that's going to be just a correction? This correction is going to be just a buying opportunity for another rally to the upside. So in this video, I'm going to deep dive into them, both gold and silver. Make sure watch this video until the end and subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, smash the like button. All right, let's start with here's the chart for gold. So this is a gold weekly chart. And as you see here, we are kind of like forming a very nice bullish consolidation at the top. So previously, when gold is consolidating at the top, we didn't have a good history. So this is kind of like the scenario that we had. We went into the correction in 2020. And this is another one. So we just form a bullish consolidation here, very significant rejection from the top 2080, 2090, and then going down for another corrective move. Here is another time, bullish consolidation, nice wide range bar, and then going down. And then finally, this is a breakout to the upside. So right now, we are just forming another bullish consolidation here, just higher SMA 20 on a weekly basis, which is 2280.63. And we are kind of like showing the same thing here, here, and here. So some people are saying, yes, we may have a corrective move all the way down to here to 2090 or 2100 for a next buying opportunity. I would say, yes, that's going to be a potential scenario, but that's not going to be my favorite one. My favorite one is we're going to see a significant top, a very important top in months of August, September 2024. And that's going to be kind of like a 2463 to 2577. So this is the box that I have is kind of like a significant top for precious metals. So we can see this top is kind of like we are kind of like at the breakout level for reaching this top, and then significant top is formed for a significant drop within next 4 to 6 months, I should say. And it can go all the way down to 2150 to 2200 minimum. And if it stretches down, we can go all the way down to this important breakout level, which is a massive buying opportunity, if you ask me. So some people are saying potentially we may go down, test another 1800 or so for a next buying opportunity. I don't think so. Right now, we are just seeing a bullish pattern. And also another thing that I just want to mention here is this. Stochastic and also MACD, in both indicators, we are seeing a very important buy signal. So previously, if you see this, after long consolidation, finally break out to the upside. This is another consolidation and stochastic oversold condition, very close to oversold, bull reversal to the upside. Right now, we are here. So we are here stochastic wise and also RSI wise. We are not bad. We are above 50%, which is still bullish momentum. Also between this pivot and this pivot here, you're seeing very significant hidden divergence. And this is kind of like a bullish hidden divergence. And it always signals for the upside target is coming down the road. So if we just wrap it up for a weekly chart, we can say this chart is potentially forming for another buying opportunity, especially for this week. If you see that we are kind of like seeing a doji bar at the very, very important bottom. By the way, if we go down below SMA 20, which is going to be 22, 60 or 50, we can easily go down to 2100 and even lower. So as long as we are above this, or as long as we are above this, we should see some kind of like another spike to the upside. And if you haven't seen my gold miner forecast video, so make sure that one, they are forming a very, very important cycle as well. So they're very, very interesting for another rally. And potentially next 2 months is going to be a rally for them as well. A daily chart is kind of like showing different stories. So lots of bearish pattern, to be honest. So this is wide range bar going down. There are lots of tests here, but the lots of tests here. So if you just see that, we are kind of like in this triangle. And usually this triangle, I'm not saying all the time, usually it breaks to the downside. So this is kind of like a pushing the pressure to the downside. And there is just one firm um, bottoming formation here. So if it breaks down, it's going to be sharp sell-off all the way to here, which is going to be important, a weekly area. But we have the same scenario here. So if we have like this, usually, so this means we are going to see the breakout to the upside. And usually that's going to be very, very bullish pattern. So in this case, this is kind of like a different story. So we are seeing some kind of like pressure to the downside. So if it breaks down, so that would be kind of like a sharp sell-off. So that's one story. But as I said, in a weekly chart and also in a daily chart, we are seeing some kind of like a very important divergences here as well. So we see some interesting buying momentum coming back to MACD, and also this is interesting situation as well. Stochastic is getting to the back to the bullish momentum. So this is in daily chart. Moving on to silver, which we have kind of like the same scenario here. So silver weekly chart, if I show you here, so silver is just getting down after this. Remember, many times I was posting, this is a very, very bullish momentum, and silver is about to rally. Sure enough, we had a very fantastic move to $32 per ounce. Right now, we are just coming down to this important breakout level. So this is kind of like a flag limit. If we get back, I would say silver can hit M pattern here. So kind of like a double top for a significant drop to 24.26. So as long as silver is above this pivotal point or 20 to 22, we are kind of like a bullish for hitting a very significant top in silver chart, which I believe very, very higher than that. But if we get below 22 to 24, we should see some kind of like a pullback, and I'm going to change my mind as well. So right now for the short term, I should say silver just forming another bottom information here. It's kind of like a lagging, it's not leading. So we should just respect that. And also daily chart as well. So daily chart shows that we are kind of like seeing small divergence here actually in MACD, which is very, very important because we are seeing lower low in price, higher high in MACD, and this is kind of like a twin divergence. Stochastic momentum, we are seeing kind of like a pressure for a pullback reversal to the upside. So if everything comes together, coming along together, I would say both silver and chart are getting ready for another spike or rally to the upside, and potentially that's going to be a significant top in months of July or August. So we will see how it goes. Just to stay tuned. This video is recorded June 27th, so we will have almost a month or 45 days for a significant top in precious metals. And this rally is going to be epic, exponential if it happens. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.